Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize the furniture industry? Well, buckle up, because we're about to delve into the fascinating intersection of AI and furniture. Imagine a world where AI assists in creating designs that are not only visually appealing but also ergonomically superior. A world where furniture manufacturing is streamlined with AI predicting potential flaws and rectifying them even before they occur. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But it's not. It's the reality of the furniture industry today. AI is also transforming the way customers experience furniture shopping, from virtual showrooms that allow you to visualize how a piece fits into your space, to AI-driven recommendations tailored to your personal style and needs. The shopping experience has never been more personalized. And guess who's leading the way in this AI revolution? One company that stands out for its AI usage is the innovative IKEA. IKEA, the world-renowned furniture company, has embraced AI in a fascinating manner. This Swedish powerhouse is no stranger to innovation, and it's been harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize its operations. Let's start with product design. IKEA uses AI to create virtual models of their furniture, resulting in a more efficient design process. This technology allows them to test different models and variations in a virtual environment before they move to production, saving time, resources, and reducing waste. Moving on to customer preferences. IKEA utilizes machine learning algorithms to analyze consumer behavior and purchasing patterns. This predictive analysis helps IKEA tailor its products and services to meet customer needs and even anticipate them. Imagine walking into an IKEA store and finding exactly what you need, almost as if they knew you were coming. And let's not forget about the supply chain. IKEA employs AI to streamline its logistics and inventory management. Machine learning models are used to predict demand and optimize stock levels, ensuring products are available when customers need them. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also reduces storage costs and minimizes waste. AI has given IKEA a substantial competitive edge, enabling them to offer personalized experiences, optimize operations, and make smarter business decisions. It's a testament to the transformative power of technology and how it can be harnessed to create value in unexpected ways. Indeed, IKEA's AI integration is a game changer, setting a new standard for the industry. So what can we learn from IKEA's AI journey in the furniture industry? Well, AI is a game changer, transforming how furniture is designed, manufactured, and how customers interact with products. It's allowing for personalized designs and efficient production processes. And let's not forget the enhanced shopping experience offered through AI-driven virtual showrooms. IKEA has embraced this technology successfully, setting a high bar for others. In a nutshell, AI is not just the future of the furniture industry, it's the present, and companies like IKEA are leading the way.